system that they've been working under for the past 50 or 100 years.
But I just think these two cases, it's obvious why we lump them together, but I think they're very different. The Zimmerman case, to me, anyway, was a hard case. I don't really know what happened between Trayvon Martin and George Zimmerman. This struck me as an easy case. I mean, this guy shot 9 times into a car with unarmed kids and then ran off and never said anything to his girlfriend about a gun. I mean, you know, what does it take to get a conviction?
Because most of the studies show, and I think Mark O'Mara will agree with me from trying these cases, because the overwhelming number of these cases that are in the criminal justice system are not white guys with black victims or young men that are victims. The usual case is a young black defendant who is being processed through the system. That's who prosecutors are used to demonizing. That's who the juries are used to being afraid of, and they kind of prey on that. And the system is designed to kind of mess with young black males. I don't care what anybody says. You can see it in every courtroom, and I'll agree with you, Mark. It isn't limited to Florida. I try cases all over the country, and young black males are kind of the ripe or the target, if you will, of the criminal justice system.
Okay, then. So